What's up, everyone? I'm out with Ozark Overland Adventures, and we're getting closer to having the Gladiator done, but we just got this great big box in today, and I want to get it on. Oh. Ooh, looks nice. Yes, yes, yes. They did a very nice job wrapping these. Oh. These are the Ace Engineering rock sliders for the JT. And they work in conjunction with the factory Rubicon rails. So you kind of have double protection. I had these on my JK and loved them, beat the crap out of them on it. And I think these will do nicely on the Gladiator.
Ozark Overland Adventures is proudly supported by the More Expo, the Midwest's only indoor event for adventure travel enthusiasts. Artemis Overland Hardware. They have the passion and knowledge to ensure that your next outdoor experience is more than a camping trip, it's an adventure. And the Big Iron Overland Rally, a 3-day weekend campout and concert experience at the Big Brutus Historic Landmark.
Now, these are actually very simple to install because they are body mounted. There's no welding. And you just unscrew the 3 body mounts, put this up there, tighten the body mounts back up, and you're done. The hardest part is actually supporting the rock rail so you can get it up to where it goes. You just undo 1, 2, 3 body mounts, and that's it. Now that doesn't sound like it would be super tough and as awesome as they are, but like I said, I ran these on my JK Rubicon for years. Beat the crap out of them in Moab, Hot Springs Off-Road Park, the Ozarks, and they took one heck of a beating. So I'm confident that these will do just as well on the JLs and the JTs. So we'll see. Carrie got me this new creeper for Father's Day, and it's super awesome. One. Two. Dang. I'm gonna have to get the breaker bar on that one. Ugh. There we go. It's still not turning. Ugh. It's getting loose, but it's tight. Let's try it now. See if I can do this first one without it falling on my head. Two out of three. That's it. It's just that easy. I think that looks awesome. Let's do the other side. It shouldn't even be that long. Looky there. Well, that wasn't easy.
Ready to get one on?
Got one on. This side is a lot tougher. Finally. That's the easiest one of all. Super long. I wonder how many people are going to tell me in this video I shouldn't be doing this barefoot. I got a lot in the lift video.
You could be wearing your new hiking boots.
That's hot.
Well, let's see. You got the purple hair. Check. You're barefooted.
Check.
And now you just need to hit something with like a wrench.
Oh, I can't do that. I'm gonna have to leave that out of the video.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, I don't need to do that.
That would be a better check.
It'd be like the trifecta. You're right. What I need now is just fall on my head. Passenger side done. I think those look awesome. What do you think, babe?
Look good.
Well, that was super easy, except for those overly difficult bolts to get out. But I think it looks incredible. I love it. But let me show you a couple other things that have been done that I didn't capture on video because it wasn't like super interesting. Pretty simple to do. But we've got the winch installed. We got the Warn winch plate. Got the Warn VR10 winch that came off of Knuckles, and prior to that, Imogene is installed in the factory bumper. And I think that looks really clean. And then on the inside, we got a JCR little Mole panel that we put the H3R fire extinguisher on, because, you know, safety, and that works really well. I'll be doing a full video on the fire extinguishers as soon as I get the bed rack and can put the other fire extinguisher that we've got for it on, because you don't want to mess around with not having a fire extinguisher. So very important. And these ones from H3R are fantastic, and they've got a couple different kinds, and I'll go through all that in another video. But I think that's it for now.
Mountain Hatch.
Oh yeah, forgot about that. On the back here, we've got the Mountain Hatch Tailgate Table. So the whole tailgate is now our kitchen area and one big awesome cutting board, and I think that'll be way cool. Now we've got our cooking and prep area all squared away, thanks to my wife for ordering this one. The fridge is in. It's not going to stay in there for now, but it is in. Just testing it out. I need to get a fridge slide. Iceco. This is the VL75 Pro dual zone. They don't currently make a slide for this. There's no universal slide currently for this. I'm going to have to go DIY, I think. And I've got a couple of friends who can handle that for me. So that'll be later. But for right now, I like it, and it's a good spot. So yeah, the Iceco VL75 dual zone fridge is sitting in the back for now until I can get the slide. Anyway, thanks for watching me install the super easy sliders and updating you on what else has been done, and watching me get super stupid sweaty in this Arkansas humidity. But still more to come. We got bed rack. I gotta put the lower control arms. I've got those from Rock Crawler. Ben's gonna come up later this week and help me install those, because that's a lot easier with help to install the lower control arms. And bed rack, and we'll move tents around, and we're getting really close. I think that I just need the bed rack to show up, and that'll be super awesome. But anyway, thanks very much for watching. Like, subscribe, check out our Patreon, all that good stuff, and we'll see you next time. Bye.